Are you still investing based on yesterday's news? The economy is shifting, and the biggest fortunes are made before the wave hits. Today, we are recutting through the noise to show you the top 5 investment sectors for 2026. I'm talking about the industries where the smart money's pouring in right now. Stay tuned because the final segment will tell you exactly how to position your portfolio before the next economic boom. Why 2026? Because the current market cycle driven by innovation, global policy, and post-pandemic restructuring is setting up for a massive breakout. We're moving from a period of adaptation to one of aggressive growth in specific high-tech areas. Let's look at the data. We're seeing unprecedented capital flows and policy changes that are all pointing to a significant inflection point in about 2 years. This isn't speculation, it's about connecting the dots. Our first top sector, artificial intelligence. This isn't just a trend, it's the new operating system for the global economy. Companies integrating AI into everything from drug discovery to logistics are seeing exponential valuation growth. The investment is not just in the creators of AI, but the enablers and adopters. Look for companies in the AI chip supply chain and enterprise AI solutions. Take a look at this market projection for the AI sector. It's projected to grow at a compound annual rate that dwarfs traditional industries. The key here is to identify the companies that are not just using AI as a buzzword, but are fundamentally embedding it into their core business to create a sustainable, competitive advantage. Think about the hardware that powers AI, the software that makes it intelligent, and the platforms that deliver it as a service. That's the trifecta for AI investing. Next up, Sector 2, renewable energy and decarbonization. Forget what you thought you knew about green energy. This is no longer a niche feel-good play, it's a global economic imperative. With governments worldwide committing trillions to the energy transition, the growth runway is immense. We were talking about everything from advanced solar panel technology and next-generation battery storage to green hydrogen and carbon capture systems. The real opportunity isn't just in the energy producers themselves. It's in the entire value chain. It's the companies that mine the lithium for batteries. It's the firms that build the smart grids to manage power flow, and the software companies that optimize energy consumption. The scale of this industrial shift is something we haven't seen in a century, and the financial implications for early investors will be massive. Let's move on to our third sector, and it's one that directly impacts every single one of us. Next-generation healthcare, specifically genomics and personalized medicine. The one-size-fits-all approach to medicine is becoming obsolete. Thanks to the plummeting cost of gene sequencing, we're entering an era where treatments can be tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. This is a revolution in how we treat everything from cancer to rare genetic disorders. The investment opportunities are vast. We have the gene editing pioneers, the diagnostic companies that can identify genetic markers for disease, and the biotech firms developing targeted therapies. This isn't just about extending lifespan, it's about extending health span. As the global population ages, the demand for more effective, personalized healthcare solutions will only skyrocket. This is a sector with both incredible growth potential and profound human impact. Now for our fourth powerhouse sector, the metaverse and Web3 infrastructure. I know you've heard the hype, but let's separate the fantasy from the financial reality. Don't just think about virtual reality headsets and games. Think about the fundamental rails of the next internet. We're talking about decentralized finance, or DeFi, which is rebuilding the entire banking system from the ground up. Think about non-fungible tokens, NFTs, not as digital art, but as digital proof of ownership for real-world assets. The real money in this space will be made by the companies building the picks and shovels. The blockchain platforms, the interoperability protocols that connect different virtual worlds, and the cybersecurity firms that will be essential to securing this new digital frontier. Investing in Web3 infrastructure today is like investing in the internet service providers of the 1990s. The potential is simply staggering. Okay, we've reached our fifth and final sector, and it ties everything together. Advanced robotics and automation. While AI is the brain, robotics is the body. The push for more resilient supply chains, labor shortages, and the need for increased efficiency are creating a perfect storm for automation. We're seeing robots move out of the factory cage and into our warehouses, hospitals, and even onto our farms. Look for companies specializing in collaborative robots or cobots that work alongside humans. Investigate the vision systems and sensors that allow robots to perceive and interact with the world. And don't forget the logistics and warehouse automation players who are redesigning how goods move around the globe. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capability. And the companies leading this charge are set for explosive growth through 2026 and beyond. So, how do you actually invest in these sectors and position your portfolio for this boom? It's not about trying to time the market or pick one winning stock. It's about strategic allocation. First, consider using sector-specific ETFs. These are exchange-traded funds that give you broad exposure to a basket of companies in AI, renewables, or genomics, which helps diversify your risk. Second, do your homework on the enablers. For every hot AI company, there's a less hyped but critical supplier of their essential components. These are often more stable, value-oriented plays. Finally, adopt a long-term mindset. These are multi-year trends, not get-rich-quick schemes. Build your positions gradually, rebalance your portfolio periodically, and stay focused on the 2026 horizon. Don't get shaken out by short-term market volatility. The biggest gains are reserved for those with conviction and patience. There you have it, the top 5 investment sectors poised to reshape our economy by 2026: AI, renewable energy, next-gen healthcare, Web3 infrastructure, and advanced robotics. The future is arriving faster than ever, and the opportunities for those who are prepared are truly historic. Remember, wealth is built by skating to where the puck is going, not where it has been. The information we've shared today is your roadmap to get ahead of the curve. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next deep dive. We're all about giving you the insights you need to build a smarter financial future. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these sectors you're most excited about. Till next time, invest smart.